Guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can drag the slider bar with VoiceOver turned on your iPhone 13 running iOS 15. So first,
speaking rate 71%, adjustable.
Swipe
up or down with one finger to adjust the value.
First, select the slider bar, and then you need to double tap on the dot right here, and then you can drag. So double tap and then hold until you feel the phone vibrate or make a sound, and then drag. Okay, so don't do it too quick. Let's do it now. Double tap, hold,
73%,
and then now
15%,
now you can drag.
0%, 67%, 56%, 69%.
So first you select the item, and then you double tap and hold until you feel a small vibration or a sound, a raised sound, and then you can start to drag after that.
69%, 26%, 71%.
And that's it. So that's how you can drag the slider bar on the iPhone running iOS 15. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.